Self-approval doesn't mean arrogance. It doesn't mean pretending you have no flaws. It means looking at yourself honestly, strengths, weaknesses, scars, failures, and still deciding, I am worthy, I am capable, I am enough, right here, right now. And here's the paradox. The moment you stop needing approval, that's when respect comes. People can sense authenticity. They can feel when you're moving from conviction instead of desperation. A man or woman who no longer begs for validation is magnetic because they radiate something rare certainty. But how do you practice this? Start small. Celebrate your own wins, even if no one notices. Did you keep a promise to yourself today? Did you follow through on a small discipline? Don't wait for someone else to applaud you. Give yourself credit. Those small victories stack up into unstoppable confidence. Second, learn the power of no. When you crave approval, you say yes to things that don't serve you. Projects, relationships, commitments. But when you approve of yourself, you realize your time and energy are sacred. Saying no to what drains you is really saying yes to your transformation. Third, reframe criticism. People will always have opinions. Some will doubt you. Some will misunderstand you. Some will simply project their own fears onto your life. Instead of letting that break you, filter it. If there's truth, use it to improve. If it's just noise, release it. Don't let someone else's limitations become your limits. Here's something powerful. Once you stop seeking approval, you gain freedom. Freedom to take risks, freedom to fail, freedom to try again. Because you're no longer performing for an audience, you're living for your purpose. And when you live this way, even failure becomes fuel. Picture this. You're standing in front of a mirror. Behind you are 1,000 voices, shouting opinions, judgments, expectations. But at the end of the day, when all the noise fades, the only person left in that mirror is you. That's the person you must impress. That's the person whose approval must matter most. So here's my challenge to you. The next time you feel yourself reaching for validation, whether it's refreshing a feed, waiting for a compliment, or needing someone else's permission, pause. Ask yourself, do I approve of me? If the answer is yes, that is enough. Because transformation is not about becoming who the world wants you to be. It's about becoming who you were meant to be. And that journey starts the moment you stop begging for approval and start giving it to yourself. Your vision is your greatest treasure. It's fragile in the beginning, just a spark, just a whisper of what could be. And like all treasures, it must be protected. Too many people lose their dreams not because they weren't capable, but because they exposed them too early. They let doubt, criticism, or even envy poison what could have grown into something extraordinary. Think of your vision as a seed. When you first plant it, it's invisible to the world. If you dig it up every day to show others, it will never take root. But if you protect it, water it, and give it time in the soil,